are you guys?
Great.
You guys are hot.
Thank you.
Yeah? What?
Thank you.
Oh, of course. Do you guys need some girls for your music video?
Not today.
We can be hot.
I just see the part and I get tired already.
Why, too many body kits?
Oh yeah.
It's okay. You're fast sometimes. You can get it done.
I have that one, the other one.
You get a haircut?
Ferrari. Yeah, look.
Oh, to go to work?
Yeah.
Oh, he always telling you to go to work.
Yeah.
Move the car.
You just got these shelves, huh?
Yeah. It's nice. Helps a lot.
You got a little flashlight right there?
Yeah, I know what happened. I'm looking for this all over. I asked him Marvin. It's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. I'm looking for all over and it was here. It's a good muffler.
Aventador roaster right here. One of my clients bought it, wants to do a bunch of work to it. He keeps adding stuff, so we keep finishing what he wants, and then he keeps adding new stuff. The car is lower Novatec springs. It has one-piece Veloce wheels, full polish, looks incredible. Honestly, great fitment. Novatec rear wing, SV style rear vents. We also painted the rear diffuser all in white body color. That's about it. That was the initial stuff. The next things we have to do is actually we're gonna wrap this whole car blue. He wants to change it to blue now. He wants to add carbon fiber on the front and the sides too, so we ordered that. And then he wants to redo the interior. Unfortunately, the interior of this car is all cracked. This nearly $500,000 car, the whole interior is all cracked. So yeah, we're gonna fix all of that.
There he is.
It's therapy.
What can't you do? You do everything.
He was something happened
Body
with his
man
back.
slash masseuse.
Mande.
Ahí te digo, el día me acomodó todo.
Señor,
¿Y ahora qué es huesero?
ahora soy huesero. They call me huesero.
What's wrong with this car now?
The lip.
Oh, you're replacing the lip?
Yeah. Yeah, that's easy things. Screws. But I'm a boy.
We are unboxing the 1016 Industries carbon fiber F8 kit. We were the first one in the world to do this on Khalid's chalk gray F8. We are now doing it on this beautiful yellow F8 Spider. This is a 2022 model. Rear diffuser has actually multiple pieces. This is the lower rear diffuser. There's the upper rear diffuser as well. All of this will be carbon. Carbon piece goes here. Carbon wing. This customer hates plastic, so You see these pieces right here? These are all gonna be actually painted. We're gonna paint this to the body color. I haven't seen anybody do a bunch of paint work on a F8 yet. So this, the front spoiler, anything that's black plastic, we're gonna paint it yellow to the body. And then we're gonna add all this carbon fiber pieces to it. We're gonna add Novitec springs to lower it, of course. We're gonna add an exhaust system and a tune, because these cars, if you put an exhaust system, you have to tune it. Newer cars are getting more sensitive. These have these filters now in the back muffler. So even if you do a muffler job, you have to tune the car. So anybody getting a muffler on this car, you have to tune it. There's the muffler actually down there, as you can see. Not really a muffler because there's nothing muffling it, it's just like a straight pipe. So hood, carbon fiber, much more carbon fiber in the front end as well. We're also doing really crazy wheels on these. If you guys recall the SF90, the black one we did in the F40 retro style wheels, we're doing that on this car as well. However, RDB Vic inspiration, we're doing different colors on each side. So one side's gonna be black, one side's gonna be silver. So yeah, super excited about this. We're gonna unbox it all. We're gonna get it all ready. Hopefully in the next episode, you'll see this done. So that's up to Luis if it actually works, and we'll get it done. So yeah, there he's unwrapping the upper diffuser.
Cabal, it is. Esa pieza es, loco.
Actually, this belongs to a Urus. Actually, Luis, this week worked on 3 wide-body Uruses. So we have 3 wide-body Urus projects all at the same time. We also have a whole body kit arrived today for a McLaren. A wide-body McLaren as well. I mean, we're quickly becoming like a wide-body factory. We had 7 wide-body cars sitting here right now, and we have 3 in progress. It's ridiculous, honestly. So the 720 is gonna be a wide-body for SEMA. So we used to do SEMA a lot, SEMA projects. You remember, we used to sleep here. We're not really doing it anymore, but we're doing 1 car, so.
Hey, can I go SEMA?
No.
Hey, take me, man. Last time I went, you remember?
We took a crashed Ferrari, 458 crashed Ferrari, a white one. The whole front end was gone. We were at a car show, and this guy's on the floor fixing the car in the middle of the show. So look how nice this is right here. This is, I got him some bumper stands. This is all actually current cars he's working on. Everything here is you see is for a Urus. So 3 Uruses are taken apart right now.
I'm tired, bro.
Why are you here?
Huh?
Nobody asked you to stay there. As you can see, it's only me and Luis here right now.
Yeah, baby!
There's
It's born.
it's born.
Born. Jesus, qué bonita.
So that's the upper diffuser. Really nice product right there. That's very flimsy though.
I told you.
Okay, I have a real question for you. What is this?
La colita, güey.
No, say what you just said.
The wing.
What?
The wing spoiler.
No, say it how you really say it.
Spoiler.
Oh my god. Say wing.
Wing.
Don't struggle. Say it how you
Say
easy.
the wing. The wing.
You said Ving, right? You said Ving though, right? Before.
You just say
okay,
Ving.
real question. What's my name?
Big.
Okay. So why can't you say Vic if you can say Ving?
What's the difference between that spoiler and big? I don't see any difference.
Say V.
V.
There you go. So
V.
Vic.
Big.
Luis.
Hey, Luis. Hey, oh baby. Woo. Big. Yes, baby. Burn.
We'll put it on the car. Come on. Yes.
Sexy.
Yeah, so that goes over the factory deck lid. Very nice piece.
So what we have to do right here?
So we're gonna glue that on too. But yeah, a lot of carbon fiber. Stay tuned for this beautiful F8 Spider. I'm gonna teach Luis how to put this body kit on now.
And I appreciate that. I'm gonna learn something from you.
Alright guys, I'm holding this Louis Vuitton bag right here. Explanation why. This Cullinan, this black badge Cullinan that we previously talked about, we were coming up with color samples. Customer didn't like the color samples we sent, so she went to the Louis Vuitton store actually in Texas and found this bag that she liked. She loves the color of it. So she sent us the bag to do a color match because we're going to be painting the entire vehicle and redoing the whole inside of the vehicle in this color. So we went ahead and color matched it right here. As you can see, this is a paint and this is leather, so it's not going to be exact, but it's like 90% there. And we're going to send her this now back, and then she's going to verify it. And we made the paint code and the formula already. We called it LV, so for Louis Vuitton, obviously. And that's what the color is going to look like. So really, really dope project. Hopefully she likes it. And we're able to proceed with this job, which is to paint the whole car and redo all the leather in this color. So yeah, let's get it going.